Okay, this is my Media Lab #1 presentation by me, Sarah. Okay, my topic is addiction. Back when I was in ninth grade, I fell into the wrong friend group. Needless to say, they changed my life for the worse. One day, we were hanging out after school, and I was offered a white pill. Despite what my parents had told me about drugs and how addicting they can be, I decided to take it anyway. This changed me. I loved the way that it made me feel, and not long after, I became addicted to it. Those were some of the least productive months of my life. I lost all my friends, I became detached from my parents, and I let my grades drop. Instead of dealing with my depression, I decided to cover it up with substance abuse. Eventually, I got help from a friend who still cared. I quit my addiction. Today, I'm doing amazing. I'm back on good terms with my parents. I have all my friends back. I'm in a relationship with one of the most supportive and loving guys a girl could ask for. I made it to college and I have straight A's as of right now, but keep your fingers crossed. But most importantly, my life means something to me, and it is 100% worth living every second of it. The theme of this memoir is how addiction caused me to become a horrible version of myself, but it made me who I was meant to be all along. The significance of this memoir is that life is worth living and that there is more to it than just being high all the time. I look back at it now and I definitely don't regret any of my decisions at all. I'm actually beyond grateful that they happened because without them, I probably wouldn't be the person who I am today.